want to talk to you about the telemetric values coming from the CRU, which you can implement in your Yeti. So I set up a new model here, and if you go to timeless sensors and you go to sensor logging setup, you can actually see here the CRU, which you can log, of course, and look later what it used or anything you want to export. These are settable, so you can also put alarms through them or whatever you would decide to do. So for telemetric. And let's continue. We have a very nice Lua script which you need to install. You go to your applications, user applications, and here you can let me delete this one. Delete. If I want to add one, you're going to look for the CRU, which is not in here. Very easy. You do the same as the bin file. You go to your model, let me see, system, you start the USB port. Now we'll start the computer. This is your directory, as you can see. What you do, you go into the apps directory and you download the file, the Lua script from our website, which is a zip file. You unpack it. You will get two files called the CRU Lua and the map containing all the audio and everything. So what you do is you open the apps directory on your transmitter, which is this one, and you just drag the folders in here. So this one is copying. You drag the CRU Lua in here. So now it's done that. You go back to your transmitter, press escape. We go back to applications, use applications, we press plus, and here you can see there's the CRU Lua. So we press this. We don't need an emulator, that's okay. As you can see now on the full screen, which I already preset, but if you want to see this one, actually you go into timeless sensors, display telemetry, and I put two options, the full screen version and or the toolbox, which I'm going to show you now, which means this is the large version, this is the small version. So if you want to use any more sensors here, you can do that. What's nice about this Lua script, it also monitors all the important stuff, and this is one of the cool items. So if I now retract, it will tell you what it's doing and when it's ready and up.
Here retracting. Here up and locked.
As you can hear, now it's going to give you a blue sign, which is up and locked. It sensed that all the timings were correct and the retracts were fully retracted. So lowering them same way.
Here extending.
You can see it moving down.
Here down and locked.
That means it's fully retracted. Now, for instance, if you have a jam or mechanical issue, it will tell you. So let's simulate one. I'm going to hold this one, so it's going to jam on me.
Here retracting.
See, now it's stopped. Let's see what it does. And it will give you a state nil, which means there's a jam.
Here in unknown state.
And it's going to report an unknown state, which means it's locked. So what you do, you
Here
cycle
extending.
it, wait till it's out, and now you retract again.
Here retracting.
And now if the timings are correct, it will tell you
Here up and locked.
up and locked. And that's one of the nice things about the telemetric options. Thank you.